our every day is someone's worst day. So I think being in a position where you can help prevent those sort of worst days for people is another reason why I thought, yeah, I'm definitely going to go for this.
Y siawns o gwneud gwahaniaeth yn y cymuned a bod pob dydd am fod yn wahanol. Felly dwi'n edrych ymlaen dechrau ar y station a dwi'n gwybod fyddai'n edrych ymlaen i gweithio bob shift achos dwi ddim yn gwybod beth sy'n dod, ond mae'n rhywbeth dwi'n rili edrych ymlaen i wneud.
I wanted to become a firefighter because I wanted to help the community and I wanted a job where I could kind of make a difference and I could be hands-on. I'm quite a practical person and sitting behind a desk didn't suit me.
So I've got a 3-year-old stepson at home. Really want to be like a positive role model for him. I want him to see me out there helping people and maybe influence him to do the same.
I love helping people. I've always been heavily involved in charity work and I used to work for the police but in a support staff role, and I wanted to be a lot more in the thick of it and in the community and represent the community that I serve as well, which I feel passionately about.
Yes, absolutely. So before that day, I just didn't think there was much chance of me working for the fire service, but I came to the Positive Action Day and there was so much support. Everyone was so kind and friendly and just really encouraged people to think that they could achieve and they could do it, and it was great to see and to find out so much about how we serve in the community outside of fire and rescue. That was wonderful as well, and that's really attracted me to the service.
Yeah, I think it was that Positive Action Day. When I went, I'm also a teacher and I was still teaching at the time, and I got there and I wanted something different. And when I met everyone, I was like, okay, yeah, I could see myself as part of this team. Went out, tried some of the fitness tests and I couldn't do all of them. Spoke to the fitness team, come up with a plan, and I knew I had, I think it was about 3 months to get strong enough to do the ladder lift, and I've done it.
So I saw an advert for a Positive Action Day. I went along to that and it was very different from what I thought it was, and I felt the atmosphere was really relaxed and it was pretty much perfect for what I wanted to do. I'm not the sort of person that lets sort of stereotypes hold me back, so I thought, yeah, I'm going to go for it. And I didn't really have any preconceptions of what a firefighter was. But that Positive Action Day definitely helped me sort of just understand what was required and affirmed that, yeah, I could do it.
Well, my previous job, I was sat in an office 5 days a week and I spent a lot of time on computers, and coming here and joining the Fire and Rescue Service, I've been outdoors most days, getting hands-on and really practical, which I'm really enjoying.
Best thing about being in the role, it's just got to be the team and the support you get from everyone. We've all got each other's backs. We all know exactly what everyone's sort of going through. So just having that support from everyone it's just been amazing overall.
The best thing about the role is just being within a team and working within a team. So no day is ever the same, and you get to go out and work with like a close-knit family every day and do what you love.
The best thing, there's so many amazing things, it's hard to pick, but I think the best thing about the role for me is the privilege to be able to serve my community and to be able to represent the diverse community that we serve, and to be there for people in times of real need and to help them in those times. I feel so privileged that I'm in that position that I can help in any way. I can't wait to get out there in the community.
No matter how old you are, no matter what you think you are, you can always try it. Just try. There's no harm in trying. All you can do is you'll find out if you can or can't do it, and then work to achieve it for next time if you want to try again. But never give up and just keep on trying.
I would say, first of all, have a look what's in your local area. There's plenty of retained stations out there at the moment. They do need firefighters for those retained stations, so see what's in your local area. Social media is a massive benefit when it comes to keeping eyes and ears open. There's plenty of posts and communications from North Wales Fire Service on a daily basis, so keep an eye out there. And any questions as well, you know, you can always pop into your local fire station, ask some questions just to get a bit of a head start, get your foundations laid for when the next recruitment phase comes in.
Oh, definitely do it. Go for it. You've got nothing to lose at the end of the day. It's a big leap, but I guarantee if you go for it, you'll enjoy it, you'll have a great time. So definitely, if you're considering doing it, just go for it.
I peidio bod ofn trio, a I fod eisiau gwneud gwahaniaeth yn y cymuned, mae'r posibilrwydd yna I rywun.
Absolutely go for it. It's really, really good. The support that you have in achieving what you want to achieve, and the belief that everybody has in you to know that you can get there and they're going to help you get there, has been like nothing that I've experienced in a workplace before. It's been really, really positive. Very good, and absolutely go for it. If you're thinking about it, don't hold back.